Here's just a very brief short video of what it's doing out right now. The wind is really starting to whip up. You can see, at least I think you can see, the snow is blowing sideways right now. I mean, it's just starting, to be honest with you. But whoa, it is getting nasty out there. Ugh. I feel sorry for the garbage man. I think he's coming down the road, this silly bugger. So usually they cancel at the first sign of a cloud in Chicago. Pretty sure that they're coming. Well, I'm surprised. He should be coming by here just in 1 second. There's my garbage bag just out in front. That really surprises me. Like I say, normally if they see a cloud over Chicago, they cancel garbage collection here in Niagara. But nonetheless, it's really going to be just a nasty, miserable day out here. Gosh. And here I am standing with the damn door open. What the hell? There he comes. All right, Jiminy. You do a good job there, buddy. Oh, that wind is cold. Time to go in.